Autodesk Factory Design Utilities enables you and your team to coordinate large, complex projects by visualizing digital models aggregated from many original sources. Combine your scan data with data from 2D and 3D CAD systems to visualize your entire project, containing hundreds of machines and thousands of components, such as a complete manufacturing facility, production line, or industrial machine, all in a single digital model. Bring together multidisciplinary teams such as design, manufacturing, and plant layout, along with your customers and suppliers to explore, review, check, and coordinate your project in real time. Navisworks is a unique technology for interactive visualization of any 3D design, regardless of file type or size. This component of Autodesk Factory Design Utilities offers users clash detection, design review, markup tools, and smooth, real-time walkthrough animations of your project. Your team can now navigate, explore, and review even the largest and most complex models on a standard computer. Improve your quality assurance, design collaboration and review process with Autodesk Factory Design Utilities and Navisworks.